And indeed, Allah is most merciful, most forgiving God. If anyone who is a sinner in all over the life is want to coming back to Islam, he will find Allah very merciful and most forgiving. And Allah is ready to accept the repentance, to give the rewards and gifts to those who believe and trust in Allah. Like Allah has provided me some real spiritual experiences of in the real physical world in the 21st century, which are unbelievable miracles for most people. But because it happened with me, so obviously I have to share, so that those who are already a believer can increase their faith, that how Allah helps in real world. And those who deny the miracles of Allah, that it does not happen in the real physical world, in the modern era, in front of cameras, they will also see how it happens in front of camera as well. And those who think that scientists are more superior than Muslims, they will have to admit that scientists are not superior than Muslims, than the spiritual scientists of Islam. And I am, by the mercy of Allah, a spiritual scientist as well, according to the experiments and my spiritual results, which happened by the command of Allah. So that's it.